Presenting the Toyota 2019 Tundra 2WD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include rear-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, brake-actuated limited-slip differential, conventional spare tire and heated mirrors. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.